Hello everyone, my name is Charlotte Hahn and I'm here to tell you about my idea for See All the People. I call it Take a Kid to a Car Show, the car show that connects church and community. You know, studies show that spending quality time with a kid is an investment in their future. And what better way to spend quality time with a kid than at a car show? And what better place to be at a car show than right here at Westwood United Methodist Church? Now, let me show you how it works. Take Evan here, a typical teenager. Hey, Ev, why the long face?
I'm so bored.
I have an idea. Let's go to the zoo and see the tarantulas.
No.
I have another idea. Let's go to that new amusement park and ride the spider ride.
Not now.
I know. Let's go to a car show.
That's a great idea. Let's do it.
Okay.
This is such a cool car. I think everyone should take a kid to a car show.